The South Australian West End League kicked off over the weekend with the IC Cup and Reserve Grade Shield at Mitchell Park and Hanson Reserve. I'm Ben Palmer and this is the first Fresh 92.7 weekly recap for the NRL South Australia 2015 season. In the IC Cup, Eels defeated South Adelaide Bulldogs 22-4. The first half was a tight contest as both teams' strong defence prevented scoring opportunities. Eels were first to score with the 2 tries in as many minutes to 5/8 and captain Hayden Eichenboom and second rower Lachlan Pilkington to lead 10-0 at half-time. Bulldogs were able to get on the scoreboard in the second half, but it was not enough as Eels ran out the game with another 3 tries. Best on ground was lock Scott Bradshaw, who laid many tries saving tackles. Also, in first grade, Roosters 26 defeated Raiders 16 in a 2014 Grand Final rematch. In a highly physical and competitive game, scores were level at 10-0 at half-time. In the second half, Roosters scored a further 16 points to Raiders 6 to take out the win. West End Man of the Match was awarded to Roosters' Mikey Richards, who played an exciting game. In the Reserve Grade Shield, Tigers have returned to the NRL SA competition with a win over Eels 28-6. It was a seesawing affair in the first half as defence of each side was tested with early tries leaving the score tied until the 30th minute. With minutes left in the half, Tigers scored again after an impressive display from front rower Joel Harris. Saw him run 30 metres, sidestepping several defenders' tackles. Leading 10-6, Tigers pulled away in the second half with the 3 unanswered tries. Best on ground was Tigers' Ben Mitchell-Moore, who was involved in the scoring and solid defensive plays. Also, in reserve grade, Panthers 20 defeated Raiders 14. Panthers proved too strong for a gallant Raiders team, leading 16-6 at half-time. The Raiders came out strong in the second half and tested the Panthers' defence. Both teams played the game in the right spirit, with the Panthers running out 6-point winners. Best on ground was Raiders' Reece Gerd, who played an attacking game. The ladder after round 1 for both grades are as follows, with the Eels on top of the IC Cup ladder and Tigers on top of the Reserve Grade Shield ladder. This coming week, games will be played on Saturday and Sunday at Hanson Reserve. For all the fixtures and results and where to play NRL in South Australia, visit our website www.sarugbyleague.com.au or find us on Facebook. I'm Ben Palmer. This has been the Fresh 92.7 weekly recap. See you at the games.